Hey guys, it's Sophia Tilbury, and today I'm going to show you how to get the Hollywood beauty icons looks I did on Kate Moss for Charlotte's latest campaign. First, I'm applying Hollywood Flawless Filter to the high points of the face for a lit from within glow. Next, I'm layering Beautiful Skin Foundation on top for skin-like coverage and a healthy looking radiance. To color correct, I'm taking Magic Vanish under the eyes, using the smaller end of the complexion brush to blend it in with upward strokes. To sculpt the skin, I love using 2 shades of Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, applying the lighter shade to the places I want to lift, and the shade that matches Jemima's skin tone to the areas where I want more coverage. To set the base, I'm using Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder for a soft focus, pore blurring effect. And then I'm using Airbrush Brightening Flawless Finish Powder on those areas I want to brighten and lift. Now for the eyes. Using the Sophisticate palette, I'm going in with a light brown shade using a soft, fluffy brush to blend outwards in sweeping motions, creating a soft, matte base. Next, using my smudger brush, I'm running that same shade along the lower lash line for added shape and definition. To enhance the shape even further, I'm then taking the smoke shade from the same palette and adding it to the outer corners. This immediately gives more dimension to the look and creates a beautiful lifted effect. Then taking the lightest shade from the Sophisticate, I'm highlighting the brow bone and diffusing the look even more with broad sweeping strokes. Kate loves the feline flick, so I had to create one with the Hollywood Exaggerized Liner Duo, starting from the inner corner and working outwards to create a classic lifted wing. Next, I'm tightlining the waterline with the champagne end of the Hollywood pencil for an eye-widening look. Time for mascara. I'm using the tip of the Pillow Talk mascara to load the lashes, creating that iconic screen siren look. Then for the eyebrows, I'm using a brow cheat to fill in any sparse areas, brushing up the hairs with the spoolie side and filling in with the pencil as I go to make them even more defined. To set Jemima's eyebrows in place, I'm using the Legendary Brows Brow Gel using the same upward strokes as before. And now, what you've all been waiting for, the lips. Charlotte's new Icon Baby shade is Kate's perfect pink. Starting with the Icon Baby lip cheat, I'm slightly overlining the lower lip line and Cupid's bow, creating fuller, wider looking lips. This also helps create a long-lasting base for the matching lipstick. I start by applying this straight from the bullet in the center of the lips, brushing it outwards with a lip brush for a more precise finish. I'm obsessed. No look is complete with airbrush bronzer. I'm buffing this across the cheeks, temples, anywhere the sun would naturally hit. I'm also running it across the jawline to create a natural looking contour. This just instantly lifts the look of your face. Next, I'm following Charlotte's Cheek to Chic blusher in Love is the Drug. I like to swish my blusher brush through the center and pop onto the cheeks. To highlight, I'm using Charlotte's Hollywood highlighter. Starting with the bridge of the nose and then moving on to the eyes, I'm sweeping it over the lid and brow bone for extra lift and glow. Don't forget to apply it to the inner corners of the eyes too. Finally, I'm gliding the highlighter across Jemima's cheekbones and temples. It's like a Hollywood spotlight on your skin. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And there you have it, Kate's dreamy Icon Baby look. Now it's time for the red lip. Starting from the outer corner, I'm creating a base with the new Red Carpet Red Lip Cheat. Then I'm gliding Hollywood Vixen on top. This is a gorgeous bright Hollywood red. I like to use a lip brush for flawless modern matte finish. So glamorous. I loved creating this look on Kate for the Hollywood Icons campaign. Now I want to know, are you an Icon Baby or a Hollywood Vixen?